Hello everyone. Today we are going to read Unit 1. Honk honk toot toot. This is a bus. A blue bus. The bus is big. This is a car. A red car. The car is small. I am a bus. I am a bus. Honk honk bus. The blue bus is on the road. I am a car. I am a car. Toot toot car. The red car is on the road. I have a horn. Honk honk horn. The bus has a horn. It sounds honk honk. I have lights. White lights. The car has two lights. They are white. I run fast. Me too. Hey! The bus runs fast. The car runs fast. Honk honk. Hey car, give away. Toot toot. You move. Stop! Stop, shouts the police officer. The bus does not stop. The car does not stop. Crash! The bus and the car hit each other. Ouch! My horn! Oh, my light! The horn fell down. The car's light fell down. It is your mistake. No, it is your mistake. The bus is angry. The car is also angry. It is your mistake. I am sorry, sir. It is your mistake too. Sorry, sir. Here is your horn. Here is your light. The horn is ready. The light is ready. The bus and the car are happy. Thank you, sir. Do not repeat it. Bye, sir.